Hi everybody, I'm hiding as you can see from the camera today, but you will see my hands. And Megan, the beautiful Megan, came in and she had applied her TrueBrow Collection on this side, which you can see is much thinner. And I have gone and applied the TrueBrow Collection on the screen, what's that, screen right. And you can see just how much fuller the brow is and how gorgeous it looks. Still looks beautiful on this side, Megan, because you've looked in the mirror and you've seen. It's really lovely. Your application's gorgeous. But look at what we've done on the other side. So when you look in the mirror and you actually can see, how was it for you when you looked at it and saw it?
Oh, amazing. Like something that's like still so subtle can make such a huge difference.
So one of the important things when we're using the collection is to be very, very sure that we're actually using it to its fullest potential for our clients. So for example, we're just going to apply, excuse me, I'm just going to pop that down here. We're just going to apply a little bit of element. So we only need a tiny little bit of element. And that's it. It's so easy and so quick. And we're just going to now pop in, tap, 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 tap it off. And we're going to, again, go to the other side and start to work, really work the hair, like very, very delicately, very, very softly. All the skin and the hair together. This is why this product is completely different to any other product on the market because it works both on skin and hair and you get this amazing, amazing finish. And we don't want to draw lines, right? Because lines are harsh and we don't want lines, harsh lines when people are looking at our brows. And brows, they matter so much. So we want to just flick it across like that, up like that. And if I can have a little look and I just look at that and I think, okay, one of the things I'd like to do is just correct it a little bit here. So in other words, I want to make sure that I'm just picking up so that Megan's brows are actually level. So I'm going to turn it so I can see again. And sometimes what's really, really easy to do, if you do, for example, need to level the brow, is just get a Q-tip or a cotton bud, put a little bit of element and just do a clean up like that as your finish. Like really, really, you can use your brush for this too, which I love doing, but I think I have a little bit of true colour on that brush. And you just do a beautiful clean up like that. And I'll have another final look. That is what the TrueBrow Collection actually can do for a woman's brow. And if you have a look in that mirror now, I'll get you to just have a look. That's it.
Yeah, beautiful.
And how natural does that look? And that's completely changed your face.
Yeah.
So this is using the TrueBrow Collection to its potential. Whereas before you used it very beautifully, but it was just like another product, even though it wasn't, because of course you were applying it on the hair and the skin, but it still wasn't at its peak. It wasn't what you can have with it. And of course, if we wanted to make this brow really, really bold, we could use our bold brush, but let's just say that we wanted to make it a bit bolder. I'm just going to give you all an example. We're just going to go into the true colour again, which I have done here, and we're just going to put on more. And we can darken this. We don't need to buy another colour. We don't need to get another product. This versatility of this beautiful, beautiful product is just amazing. So for the evening, not that you have to touch this up at all, for the entire, you just don't need to do a touch up. But let's just say that Megan was going out on a date with her hubby tonight and she decided to put on a heavy eye makeup. That's it. Just nothing else. She just goes over the top. Let's say she's got a gala event like I recently had, which was so much fun, and wanted to go even heavier, bolder, like really wanted to just make a huge, absolute statement with her brow. Again, just applying more. So for the girls that want a very, very bold brow, this is what you get. You get this very, very bold brow, and it still looks natural. And for mums who've got teenagers who are doing these really thick brows and they're sort of cringing, they can still have that really thick brow, but it will look much more natural, much more beautiful and softer on them. So this is just an all-around product for the entire family. Isn't that incredible? Like, if you've got young teenage daughters, they can use it. Your husband can. I'm only kidding.
He might be into it.
Just kidding. You never know. But, men are actually using makeup a lot more nowadays. So, it's not off the table.
Yeah.
But this is absolutely beautiful. And actually, in fact, I've seen some beautiful makeup on men recently on Instagram and on Facebook that I've absolutely loved. So it's definitely, seriously, it's not off the table.
No.
I mean, it really is. It doesn't matter who wants to use it. What it can do is just give that beautiful, soft and delicate finish to your brow. And I am in love with this brow. Wow. So whatever you want, you can have it.